I'm Jay Garcia with Modus Create, and I'm super excited to show you a platform we created called ShelfCheck, which allows crowdsourcing of information that allows shoppers to find much needed items in the fight against COVID-19 and to stay healthy. With that, I'm going to pass it over to Tanya for our demo. Thank you.
Thanks, Jay. Now let's do a quick walkthrough of ShelfCheck. The first thing you get is the opportunity to put in your zip code and submit or auto-locate. You can then go back and change that zip code if you want to help someone who's out of your area. In your feed, you'll see a list of items posted by people nearby, or you'll see no more shelves if there's nothing posted yet. In the individual item in the feed, you have the ability to see the photo, the category, the time it was posted, the location with the address, and any comments that the poster decided to include. From here, you can upvote to confirm you've also had this experience or seen these items on the shelves, or you can downvote, which would remove the post, meaning it's probably out of stock by now. You can filter by each of these categories, so sanitizer, toilet paper, cleaner, food, or protective gear specifically. You can also filter specifically by store. We have a map view available, and from that map view, you can see all the various stores that have been posted recently, and then you can select to also filter by store from the map view. As a new poster, you can click the large blue plus button, and that will allow you to take a photo, add your caption, choose your category, and select your location based on your current GPS. This will automatically timestamp your post and put it to the top of the feed.